Hello friends, welcome to Happylish, where we learn English with stories. Today, we will tell you a magical story. It is about a kind girl, a big ball, and a glass slipper. Let's begin the story of Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a young girl. Her name was Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. Her father had died, and now Cinderella was all alone. Her stepmother was not kind. Her stepsisters were mean. They made Cinderella do all the work.
Cinderella, clean the floor. Cinderella, wash my clothes. Cinderella, cook the food.
Cinderella worked hard every day. She wore old clothes. She had no time to play, but she was always kind. She always smiled. One day, a letter came from the palace. It was from the king. The letter said, "There will be a big ball at the palace. All young women are invited. The prince will choose a wife." The stepsisters were very excited. They wanted to marry the prince. "Oh, I need a new dress," said one sister. "I need new shoes," said the other. Cinderella also wanted to go. She asked, "Can I go too?" But her stepmother said, "No, you are just a servant." Cinderella was very sad. She watched the others get ready for the ball. After her family left, Cinderella sat alone and cried. Suddenly, a kind old woman appeared. "Why are you crying, dear child?" she asked. "I want to go to the ball," said Cinderella, "but I have nothing to wear." The woman smiled. She was a fairy godmother. She said, "Don't worry, my dear. You shall go to the ball." She waved her magic wand. Poof! A pumpkin turned into a golden carriage. 6 mice became white horses. A rat became a coachman. Then the fairy godmother waved her wand again. Poof! Cinderella's old dress turned into a beautiful gown. On her feet were shiny glass slippers. But the fairy godmother warned her, "Be home before midnight. At midnight, the magic will end." Cinderella went to the palace. Everyone looked at her. "Who is that beautiful girl?" they asked. The prince saw her. He could not stop looking at her. He asked, "Will you dance with me?" Cinderella smiled. They danced and danced. The prince was very happy. He did not dance with anyone else. But then, dong, dong, dong. The clock struck 12. "Oh no," said Cinderella. She ran down the stairs. One glass slipper fell off her foot. But she kept running. The carriage, the horses, the gown, everything disappeared. She was wearing old clothes again. The next day, the prince had the glass slipper. He said, "I will marry the girl who fits this shoe." He went to every house. Each girl tried the shoe. The stepsisters also tried, but their feet were too big. "Try harder," said the stepmother, but the shoe did not fit. Then the prince saw Cinderella. "Can she try the shoe?" he asked. The stepmother said, "She is just a servant." But the prince gave her the shoe. Cinderella's foot was a perfect fit. The prince smiled. "You are the one," he said. Cinderella went to the palace. She wore a beautiful dress again. She married the prince. There was music, dancing, and joy. And from that day, Cinderella lived in the palace. She was happy. She was kind. And she never forgot the magic of that night. And they lived happily ever after. Thank you very much for watching until the end. What was your favorite part of the story? Tell me in the comments. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed this story and want more like it, please like and subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.